Ugh, man, I'm so bored. There's nothing to do. Huh? What is it? Might as well just open the door. What the? Oh, Tailton. What, bud? What are you doing here? We're just here for no reason. Why here? Oh, okay, well, come on then. Alright. Right here. So, what are you guys doing here? Oh, we just came back again. We're talking for no reason, Sonic. But I'm glad to be back with my friend Wet Boy. Why here? Oh, okay. What? Why is he not even talk? Oh, Wet Boy. Oh, I'm sorry. I just came here for no reason and we're talking. Oh, so now you can talk. Yeah. Oh. Well, anyways, it's great to be finally with you guys. Thanks. Yeah, thanks, Sonic. You're welcome, guys. So, you guys wanna, watch some, videos or something? I don't know. Yeah, sure, we can watch some videos. What about you, Wet? Yeah, we can watch some videos on YouTube. Alright, come on, guys. Okay, Sonic. Alright, Sonic, I'm coming. Right here.